Decoding the common myths for every property investor investment in properties can be a tough and challenging task, especially considering the volatility of the market. The foremost challenge with property investment is the intimidating nature of the job. Property investments bring many important tasks associated with them, such as renovations and repairs. In addition, the documentation associated with property investment is another troublesome factor for investors. On top of it, beginners are commonly exposed to various myths about investment properties, thereby dissuading them. Popular myths for property investment, the investments in real estate, could be classified into active and passive investments, depending on the requirements of the investor. Active investments can refer to working on housing development and renovation projects or purchasing and selling properties for profits. On the other hand, passive investments involve renting property for a passive and long-term source of income. Before you dive into the investment property market, take a look at the solutions to the myths about property investment. First myth is beginners would imagine that almost everyone is a property investor, with the sudden rise in the number of Australians who invest their money in real estate. Furthermore, the interest of international investors has also spurred a demand for investment properties. However, it is important to consider the need for specialized skills, research, and dedication for becoming a property investor. Second myth, being the most common assumption regarding property investment, is that it can help investors become rich quickly. While real estate definitely offers lucrative opportunities, it can also present some unprecedented risks. It is important to remember that success in property investing depends completely on patience, timing, and the correct decisions. Third myth, being any beginner in property investing might assume that property prices would increase uniformly across all lines. Can you expect the value of houses and apartments to increase in the same proportion? On the contrary, you could not rely completely on the assumption that property prices would always increase. Similarly, aspiring investors should also take note of uncertainty regarding increment in value of properties after renovations. Expand your knowledge on property investing. The best practice for becoming a professional property investor would focus on improving your knowledge about the job. You can also come across many other prominent myths about investments in property in the Australian market. Consult with an expert to learn the trade of property investment and achieve exceptional returns right now. Contact InvestFox Property Group